Good morning, student. Welcome to the biology class. We are studying about the tissue. In the previous classes, we have studied about that what is meant by tissue, and now we are studying about the plant tissue. In previous class, already we have studied about that what is meant by the meristematic tissue and permanent tissue. Let us revise. Meristematic tissue means dividing tissue, which is present on the tips of the roots and tips of the shoot. Due to the meristematic tissue, the plant can grow. Got it? And permanent tissue, in the last video, I explained about that what is meant by permanent tissue. Got it, student? Permanent tissue means the tissue which is arise from meristematic tissue. This tissue take the permanent shape, size and perform the particular function. This tissue is called as the permanent tissue. In the last video, I details explanation about that the permanent tissue. There are two types of the permanent tissue: simple permanent and complex permanent. Simple permanent means all the cells have a same size and they perform the same function. In the complex permanent tissue means the tissue which is made from different types of the cell, and these different types of the cells are performing the different function. Got it, student? We have seen there are three types of the simple permanent tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma and sclerenchyma. In the last video, we have done parenchyma. parenchyma टिश्यू हमने लास्ट वीडियो में पढ़े हैं बेटा. parenchyma टिश्यू कहाँ होते हैं, कैसे होते हैं, what is the main function of parenchyma. Got it? And in that video, we are going to study about that the collenchyma and sclerenchyma. Got it, student? Let us start the video. Let us see first what is the collenchyma tissue. Collenchyma tissue is the living cell. It is also living cell. The tissue is very thick cell wall. Means there is the cell. See like that. I will draw the structure of the collenchyma like that structure. Means the end of this cell is a tapering. Tapering means, see student, this is a pointed end. Got it? This is called as the end of the cell wall may be tapering. There is a plant tissue have a cell wall. There is no intercellular space. There is no intercellular space in between the two cell. Intercellular space, in the last video I explained about that. दो सेल के बीच में जो स्पेस होता है, it is called as the intercellular space. But the collenchyma have a no intercellular space. Understood? These cells is very thick wall and it deposit the pectin and cellulose. Means their wall is very thick. Due to this सेल वॉल में पेक्टिन, सेलुलोज, प्रोटीन्स होते हैं. ड्यू टू दिस प्रोटीन द सेल वॉल इज वेरी थिक. अंडरस्टूड? व्हाट इज द स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ collenchyma? Collenchyma is the polygonal. It is a polygonal in shape. Thick wall. The corner have a tapering end. जो सेल वॉल है वो सेलुलोज और पेक्टिन से बनी है. It is a protein. Due to this protein, the cell wall is thick. There is no intercellular space present in the collenchyma. Understood, student? What is the collenchyma? And what is the main function? It gives the mechanical support. The collenchyma cell is give the mechanical support and elasticity. Means elasticity, collenchyma, due to the collenchyma, plant can bend without breaking it. देखो बेटा, आपने गार्डन में देखा होगा, देयर इज हाईली विंड. अगर बहुत जोरों की हवा चल रही है फिर भी प्लांट के स्टेम, प्लांट के ब्रांचेस ब्रेक नहीं होते. क्यों? बिकॉज द collenchyma इज प्रोवाइड द प्लांट पार्ट्स is a elasticity. Due to the elasticity, plant can bend without breaking it. Understood, Stata? What is mean by elasticity? And the collenchyma is a closely packed, small or no intercellular space. The cell wall is a thick. Understood? What is the collenchyma? And it is also, collenchyma cell is also present the chloroplast organelles. Okay, it also help for the photosynthesis. Understood, student? What is the collenchyma? Collenchyma is a simple permanent tissue. It is the polygonal in shape, thick cell wall, no intercellular space is present in between the cell. Each cell wall is made from cellulose and pectin. Thick cell wall, it provides the elasticity of the branch of the plant. It also provides the mechanical support, and these cells are found below the epidermis of the petioles, leaves, stem. Epidermis means outermost covering, and these cells is present below the epidermis. Understood, student? What is the collenchyma? Next simple permanent tissue is the sclerenchyma. Sclerenchyma, it is the dead cell. These also thick cell wall. Sclerenchyma tissue is also simple permanent tissue. It is the dead cell, means we have seen sclerenchyma and collenchyma. Both are a living cell, but the sclerenchyma is the dead cell. Long, narrow in shape, long, high, thick wall, and very little intercellular space in between the two cells. The wall is thick. Why? Because it contains the lignin material. Means see, if there is the like structure of the sclerenchyma, their wall is very thick. Why? It is made from lignin. Lignin, it is a cement-like material. Means you have seen how does the wall is made. In between the two bricks have a cement material. So the bricks are joined to each other very packly. Same like that, the each cells, in between the each cell have a lignin present. Lignin is the hard protein, cement-like material. Understood? Due to this lignin, the tissue become very hard. It provides the mechanical support. Understood? Means intercellular space are absent. The cells are highly elongated, spindle-like shape. You have seen the fibers, textile fibers, ropes manufacturing. There is used the sclerenchyma tissue. The sclerenchyma tissue occur in the stem of the monocot plant, vascular bundle, xylem and phloem. These also made from the sclerenchyma tissue. It is the hard covering of the nut. Means you have seen the nut. They have a hard covering. Almond, coconut, they have a hard covering. This hard covering is made from the sclerenchyma. Understood, student? What is the sclerenchyma? Let us revise. This is the sclerenchyma is the dead cell. Dead cell. Their wall, the cell wall is very thick. The cells are long, narrow. Understood? There is no intercellular space is present in between the two cells. Their cell wall is made from the lignin. Lignin means cement-like material होता है. Due to this, they get the hard rigidity of the plant body. Main function is a mechanical support and rigidity of the plant. The sclerenchyma fiber is also used in the manufacturing of rope and textile industry. Understood, student? What is the sclerenchyma? It is the hard shells of the fruits. Almond के hard shells होते हैं, coconut के hard shells होते हैं. These hard shells are made from the sclerenchyma. Understood, student? What is the simple permanent tissue? We have seen the three types of the simple permanent tissue: parenchyma, collenchyma, and sclerenchyma. Understood, student? What is I taught you in that video? Understood, student? What is the sclerenchyma, collenchyma? Thank you. In the next video, I will explain you the complex permanent tissue. There are two types of the complex permanent tissue, xylem and phloem. This topic we have seen in our next video. Thank you.